So hello everyone, it's me once again. This is Chopai's Adventure and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm focusing my face, I'm focusing myself, okay? Which means today we will be doing a makeup activities just for me to enhance my skills. There's a lot more things for me to improve, okay? I am not professional yet, but I'm trying my best. I wanted that one of these days I'll be able to do some makeup with other people also, but first I have to practice that for myself to have that confidence. So without a further ado, let's start the activities. First step is the primer. So I'll be using the Ordinary primer. Ang ganda ng texture ng ng skin ko dun sa camera. So it's really very important when you're doing a makeup session, you have to use a very bright, beautiful lightings para maganda yung outcome, texture ng kita talaga yung the real color of your skin. Actually, this is the color of my skin. Okay, so after the primer, I'll be putting my foundation. So I'll be using a Lancome. Lancome? Is it Lancome? Okay, Lancome foundation. So siya lang ang mga gamit ko. Pero, you know, it's not on the brand. Okay? Ilang beses na rin ako nag-try na nag-makeup off-cam. And, you know, even if you will use the most expensive items or makeup kit, kung hindi ka talaga marunong, wala rin, hindi ka madadala talaga ng ng the brand that you're using. And as you know, meron akong ginawang vlog earlier, the lavender color and very inspired on my previous vlog. So naganahan ako doon kasi the outcome was very beautiful and I'm contented even though it's not perfect. Pero compared din sa mga ginawa ko before, at least there's an improvement. So, parang medyo na ako na I was inspired to do more makeup session or makeup content. Okay, so sayang naman kasi yung mga gamit na nandiyan na naka-stock lang and then one of these days bigla na lang siyang yung ma-expired ba. So, aksayahin na lang natin. Okay? Kahit hindi tayo ganun kabihasa, we have to use it. And mostly ang mga nagiging problema ko kasi in the past is the blending of my foundation. Hindi ko lang alam if there's a problem with the lightings that I'm using. Kasi minsan, okay siya sa screen. Pero pag tinignan naman siya personally, hindi maganda yung mga pagka-mixing niya. So, ewan ko kung anong problema doon. It's either ako yung may problema. Kasi, as I've said before, I am not professional yet, but I'm trying to be one. So, I'm trying to learn. Okay? So, samahan nyo ako na balahurahin natin ang ating mga mukha. Wala naman sigurong masama pag mag-try tayo, no? So, okay na yung pagka-blend. Kasi minsan, na ako dun sa mga napapanood ko sa TV, diba? Ay, sa mga YouTube or sa mga, sa mga ibang social media platform, pag nagtitingin ako ng mga parang ang dali-daling gawing mag-makeup. Pero when you are in front of the camera and everything, all the equipments that you needed, makeup kit that you needed, it's already in front of you. And then when you do it, boom! Doon mo makikita yung result na sometimes it fails, sometimes it's okay. And yun, we keep on improving. So, okay na yung ating foundation. As you can see, okay siya. Ang problema ko lang tong mga to. As you can see. Diba, masyado siyang visible. Try natin gumamit ng ng correcting colors kung pwede siyang takpan nito. So, yung correcting colors, kailangan lang natin dun sa part na mayroong mga butas-butas. Tingnan natin kung pwede siyang ma-fill in dun sa mga butas-butas na mawawala siya. Hindi talaga siya That's my real problem here. Kasi kahit anong gawin mong nagiging visible pa rin siya. Kailangan ko siguro magtanong kung ano yung mga dapat kong i-apply dyan. There must be a certain. Now we'll be putting a little darker concealer kasi yung ano natin, foundation is already too white, okay? So kailangan yung ating gagamitin na concealer, it has to be a little bit darker. Foundation nyo is darker, you have to use a concealer that is lighter. Next one, maglalagay tayo ng eye base dito sa ating eyelids. Sorry, ginamit ko ng aking kamay kasi I wanted to see na mas makapit kasi siya pag pag tinap-tap. Okay, we have to emphasize the eyelining. Okay, ito yung mata natin. Para naman magkaroon ng buhay. So now, I'll be putting the pink eyeshadow. So I'm so excited!
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
So as you can see guys, I was so happy, and of all the makeup that I've done in the previous, I think this is the most perfect. This is the most, shall I say, the best. And I've used light and dark pink. So I definitely happy about the result, and I'm so excited to make again and to use other color, create other eyeshadow color, and hopefully I'll be seeing you on my next vlog with another makeup activities. So that's it for today. Once again, this is Chopai's Adventure, and thank you for watching. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.